Welcome back to Mill Creek Range. This is Benji, your host. And on today's episode, I'm going to be shooting this Mitchel Arms 45 by U Birdie. Now it was imported again from Mitchel Arms in Santa Ana, California. They've been, I think, out of business since the late 80s. So that's as far as I basically got on it. But anyway, you can check out some of the other videos on it. I did install a Wolff Springs system, which I replaced the hammer spring, the trigger spring, my spring on my retract or my ejector rod, and then the spring here on the button for removing the cylinder. And but it is so smooth now. It's unloaded, just to verify, it is unloaded, but it is so smooth now. Before, the cock and the hammer back was pretty stiff. It was pretty stiff. It's less than half that now. It's like butter now. You can hear the clicks there. It is 4 clicks like it should be. And yeah, so I'm going to put a few, just a few range down range. Try to, I've only shot it about maybe less than 10 times. Since I bought it. I basically bought it and then immediately went to work on it. So we can check out the other videos and let's put some downrange. Now these are loaded up with 250 grain hard cast with I don't know how many grains of Trail Boss behind it. Oh, one miss. Okay. Had one miss. A little chilly out here this morning too. But I like it. It shoots really good. I'm going to have some fun with this one. Well, that's all I've got for this episode today. I just wanted to bring it out, put a few rounds through it, check out the action on it since I've done the Wolff Springs system, and I'm really impressed with them. Now on my 1911s, those also have the Wolff Spring I put into them, but that's the first time I've used the Wolff Springs on a single action, and I'm highly impressed with it. Highly impressed. So, look forward to seeing y'all on down the trail, and y'all keep your powder dry. We'll see you then. Y'all take care now. Bye-bye.